Hey, good to have you here. This is Native English Podcast, where we talk about real-life topics and help you learn English at the same time. I am Sarah.
And I am John. Welcome. Whether you are listening on your way to work, cooking in your kitchen, or relaxing on your sofa, we are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, no matter where you are, we are right there with you. So John, what are we talking about today? I have a feeling it is something delicious.
Oh yes, today we are talking about mangoes. The big question is, eating mangoes, is it healthy or not?
I love this topic. Mangoes are my favorite fruit. Just thinking about them makes me happy.
Same. That sweet smell, that soft bite, beautiful. But some people say mangoes are not good for you. Too much sugar, too many calories. So today, we are going to look at both sides.
Yes, we are going to talk about the good things about mangoes and also the not so good things. And at the end, you can decide for yourself.
Let's go.
Okay, John, let's start with the good news. What are the good things about eating mangoes?
Right. So first, mangoes are full of vitamins, especially vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is very important for your body. It helps you fight colds and infections. It keeps your skin healthy and bright. It also helps your body heal faster when you have a cut or a small injury.
That is so good to know. So eating one mango can actually help your body stay strong?
Yes, one medium mango gives you about 60 to 70% of your daily vitamin C. That's a lot from just one fruit.
Wow, that is really impressive. Okay, what else?
So mangoes also have a lot of vitamin A. Vitamin A is great for your eyes. It helps you see clearly, especially at night. And it also helps your skin look good. So if you want healthy eyes and good skin, hello, mangoes.
I should eat more mangoes then. Okay, any other good things?
Yes, mangoes have something called fiber. Fiber is very good for your stomach and your digestion. It helps food move through your body in a smooth and healthy way. So if you sometimes have stomach problems or feel uncomfortable after eating, fiber can really help.
That is such a useful thing. And I think many people do not think about digestion enough, but it is so important for how you feel every day.
Exactly. And also, mangoes have antioxidants. Now, that's a big word for A1 learners, so let me explain it simply. Antioxidants are like little soldiers inside the fruit. They protect your body from damage. They help keep you healthy, and they can even help protect you from some serious sicknesses over time.
Little soldiers. I love that. So mangoes are not just tasty, they're actually fighting for your health.
Yes, fighting for your health from inside your body. Beautiful. Okay, so far, mangoes sound amazing. But wait, I know some people who say, I don't eat mangoes, they have too much sugar. What do you think about that, John?
Yes, this is a very common thing people say, and it's not completely wrong. Mangoes do have natural sugar. One medium mango has about 45 grams of sugar. That is more sugar than many other fruits.
Okay, so for some people that is a problem.
Yes, especially for people who have diabetes or who are watching their blood sugar levels very carefully. For those people, eating a lot of mango, especially in one sitting, can cause their blood sugar to go up quite fast. That is important to know. So it depends on your health situation?
Exactly. If you are healthy and active, the natural sugar in mango is generally fine. Your body can handle it. But if you have a health condition, it is always a good idea to talk to your doctor first.
Yes, always talk to your doctor. That is very good advice.
And also, mangoes are quite high in calories compared to some other fruits. One mango can have around 150 to 200 calories. So if someone is trying to lose weight, they need to be a little careful about how much mango they eat.
I see. So the advice is not too much, right? Enjoy mangoes, but do not eat 5 in one day.
Yes, moderation is the key word here. Moderation means not too much, not too little, just the right amount.
I like that word, moderation. Okay, now let's talk about some real-life examples, because I think this makes everything much clearer.
Yes, okay, so let me tell you about my neighbor, Mrs. Patel. She's 60 years old, she has diabetes. Every summer, her family buys a big box of mangoes, and every summer, her doctor reminds her, Mrs. Patel, please eat only a small piece, not the whole mango.
Oh, poor Mrs. Patel. She loves mangoes, but she has to be careful.
Yes, and she follows the doctor's advice. She eats maybe half a mango, maybe 3 times a week, and she feels fine. Her blood sugar stays okay. So for her, a little mango is okay, just not too much.
Ah, that is such a good real-life example. A little bit is fine, but she listens to her body and her doctor.
Exactly. Now here's another example. My younger cousin, he's 22 years old, very active, goes to the gym, plays football on weekends. Every summer, he eats 1 or 2 mangoes every single day. And guess what?
What?
He's perfectly healthy. His energy is great, his skin looks good, he has no problems at all, because he's active and his body uses that natural sugar as energy.
Wow. So for a young, active person, mangoes are actually a great natural energy food.
Yes, before exercise, eating a mango is actually a wonderful idea. Natural sugar gives you quick energy, much better than eating a chocolate bar or drinking a sugary drink.
Ah, that is so smart. Use the mango for energy before a workout. I love that.
Yes, and one more real-life example. My friend Sophia, she had very dull skin, not glowing, not fresh. She started eating 1 mango every day for 1 month. After 4 weeks, her friends started saying, "Sophia, your skin looks amazing. What are you doing?"
And she said, I'm eating mangoes.
Exactly. Because of the vitamin A and vitamin C, her skin became healthier and brighter, a real-life result from eating fruit.
Wow, that is really inspiring. Okay, so now what is the final answer? Are mangoes healthy or not?
The honest answer is yes, mangoes are healthy for most people when eaten in the right amount and for your own body type. They have vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, all great things for your body. But if you eat too many or if you have a health condition like diabetes, you need to be careful.
So the key message is enjoy mangoes, love mangoes, but be smart about how much you eat. Listen to your body, and if you have a health condition, talk to your doctor.
Perfect summary. And one more thing, always eat whole mangoes, not mango juice from a bottle. Bottled juice often has extra sugar added. The whole fruit is always better because it still has the fiber.
Ah, that is such a great tip. Whole fruit, not juice from a bottle. Real is always better.
Always. Okay, now let's learn some useful English phrases from today's topic.
Oh yes, I love this part. Phrase number 1, in moderation. This means not too much, not too little. For example, you can eat mangoes in moderation and stay healthy. Use this phrase when talking about food, exercise, or anything in life.
Great one. Phrase number 2, listen to your body. This means pay attention to how your body feels. For example, if mangoes make you feel bad, listen to your body and eat less. Such a useful phrase in everyday life.
Yes. Phrase number 3, it depends. This means the answer is not the same for everyone. For example, is mango healthy? Well, it depends on your health and how much you eat. Very natural English.
Love it. Phrase number 4, talk to your doctor. Always important advice. For example, if you have diabetes and want to eat mangoes, talk to your doctor first. Simple, polite, and very useful.
And phrase number 5, a little goes a long way. This means even a small amount can have a big effect. For example, with mangoes, a little goes a long way because they're so full of vitamins.
Oh, I love that phrase. A little goes a long way. So true.
Okay, so our 5 phrases: in moderation, listen to your body, it depends, talk to your doctor, and a little goes a long way.
Write them down and use them this week. And also, don't forget to check out the pinned comment below. We have left some sweet examples there for you.
All right, friends, we are at the end of our episode today. From vitamin C to Mrs. Patel to Sophia's glowing skin, what a delicious journey.
Yes, so mangoes, healthy when you eat them the right way, in the right amount, and for your own body type. Nature gave us this beautiful fruit. We just have to be smart about how we enjoy it.
Beautifully said, John. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for being here today. You are doing something amazing by learning English every day, and we are so proud of you.
Yes, keep going. And maybe today, go buy a mango, sit somewhere nice, take a bite and enjoy it. You deserve it.
Yes, eat your mango and practice your English. Oh, wait, one last thing before we go. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend who is also learning English. The more, the merrier. Together, we all grow faster, and learning becomes so much more fun when you have someone to practice with.
Ah, yes. Share it, talk about it, and practice these phrases with your friends or family. Even just one conversation a day in English makes a huge difference over time. We believe in you.
This is Native English Podcast, brought to you by Native English Stories.
I'm John.
And I'm Sarah.
Bye for now. See you soon.